Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, March 23rd. You know what time it is. Let's get into the prices of cryptocurrencies. Okay, when I left off last week on Friday, we saw a huge increase in the price of Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies. We were seeing upwards of $6,500 per Bitcoin. By the beginning of Saturday, it was actually up to $6,900. Today, however, Bitcoin has dropped. Over the weekend, it's been dancing up and down, but now is officially down at $5,935, which is a drop of 6.7%. Now, this is crucial to remember because every single $1,000 increment, like 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, these are all resistance points. A lot of people have sell and buy orders at these limits. So every time it gets close or passes a threshold, we may see a larger decrease or a large increase depending on which direction it has been going. Ethereum also down 7.7% at $125.29. Dash took a really big hit. It is down 12% at $64.36. And Litecoin is also down 6.3% at $36.92. Join us later today to cover the top news articles over the weekend to find out why the price of Bitcoin is going down, why cryptocurrencies are trending in the downward fashion. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you later today for the news.